Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm with Parker. For some reason, he's not over here. Oh.
Turn around.
What? Anyways. No, but seriously, we're going to show you how to do the fastest method in the fastest movement method in Gorilla Tag, step by step.
Yippee, yippee, yippee.
But it's only achievable in Attic. Let's go.
Oh no, I lost my mask.
So we already got the
Let
stuff.
spawn in.
We don't.
I'm gonna just let it spawn in. It hasn't spawned for me yet.
Well,
There we go.
first, we're going to need a lot of ice. And a lot of ice, one jump pad, and a lot of ropes. So we're gonna have to build a path like this.
The last time we made one of these, we had multiple jump pads at the end, so you could just go back and forth.
Well, yeah, but
I don't know why we had multiple. Then just say it's basically
okay.
this
So
process
basically,
over-
that we're going to be making these kind of poles. We can either use these 1x6 pieces or the 1x4 pieces. Either way, you have to put it at the 4-piece and put it right here, like from one piece gap away from the ice. And actually, you kind of want to do it a bit bigger of a distance.
I was just about to say that's a pretty small distance.
And then to build each one of these, you need 4 of these long pieces and then 1 of these short pieces. And then you gain an incredible amount of speed.
You can put walls at the back just so you don't fly out of the area.
Yeah,
But you don't need to if you don't want to.
yeah.
If you're a risk taker, oh my god, I can't speak. If you're a risk taker, you can not have the walls. You cannot have the walls. If you're not, you can have the walls for safety.
But
For
see,
some
look.
reason, I don't think my settings are. Oh, never mind. Take that back. Whee!
You go incredibly fast. And that's it. I will show you the end product. Okay guys, we finished it. You can get so much speed with this thing. Holy crap, I just got launched over that wall.
I think I need to change the thing, but
Holy crap. And again, the ice is not necessary, although it is very useful. So if you lose momentum, you can still if you not if you lose momentum, but if you fall, you can still keep your momentum.
yeah, and like as Dinah was saying, the ice is very good for this, especially because in one of our last videos, well, one of his last videos, but one of the last videos we made, we learned, yeah, you made, we learned that you can skate on the ice by using one of your hands, left hand, right hand.
Exactly,
So use
and
that
that
knowledge to your advantage.
exactly. And so if you even want to, you can just do a little skating thing that you can do for fun. You don't even have to do. You can just skate for fun. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye.